Welcome to my class. Introduction. Class Standard 9. Subject Higher Mathematics. Chapter name Geometry. Chapter 3. Lecture 2. Today's lesson to explain some theorems. Theorem number 4. I had already explained up to theorem 3. One number was Pythagoras theorem, 2 number Pythagoras converse theorem, and 3 number Pythagoras extension theorem for obtuse angle. Today I will discuss theorem 4, that is a Pythagoras extension theorem for acute angle, and what will be the result. Follow here. In any triangle, the area of the square drawn on the opposite side of an acute angle is equal to the squares drawn on the other two sides diminished by twice the area of the rectangle included by any one of the other sides and the orthogonal projection of the other side on that side. This is a language. Now follow a figure, and you know orthogonal projection. Okay. Orthogonal projection mean by drawing perpendicular will get a projection. So it is a orthogonal projection. Here follow the orthogonal projection of the line AC, that will be CD, because one point of AC lie on base and another side point here. So AD is a perpendicular on BC. Okay, so CD is orthogonal projection of AC. Similarly, BD is orthogonal projection of AB, because by drawing perpendicular AD will get BD. As a result, BD is orthogonal projection of the side AB. Clear? Okay, now follow the explanation on this theorem. Here, the side opposite to acute angle. Here, angle C is acute angle and its opposite side, that's mean AB. And theorem say AB square, this equal to sum of square of other two sides, that's mean AC square plus BC square minus 2 into, if we'll take one side BC, we have to take the orthogonal projection of other side. That's mean if we'll take BC, that's mean minus 2 into BC, and orthogonal projection of other side mean here other side AC, and orthogonal projection of AC, that is CD. Okay, so we have to consider BC as a length and CD breadth of a rectangle, and finally the result will be AB square, this equal to AC square plus BC square minus 2 into BC into CD. In this figure, same explanation. Okay, now follow explanation same. Here particular enunciation or special nomination. ABCB a triangle in which angle C, that's mean ACB, is an acute angle and the opposite side of the acute angle is AB. The other two sides are AC and BC. Suppose AD is perpendicular on the side BC. Left side figure given in below and above. Okay, and the extended side of BC, that's mean right side figure given in below and also above problem. So CD is the orthogonal projection of the side AC on the side BC in the case of both triangles. It is to be proved that AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square minus 2 into BC into CD. You can write also, this is a side note, you can write this. Now follow the figure. Here A, B, D, this is a right angle triangle. Also EDC, another right angle triangle. In same case here, ABD and ADC both are right angle triangle. Now when we'll take the right angle triangle ADB, in which angle ADB is a right angle, therefore by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. But BD is equal to what? BD is equal to BC minus CD, and this figure BD equal to CD minus BC. Clear? But when we'll square BC minus CD and CD minus BC will be same, no problem. Here BD as here is given BD square, so BD is equal to BC minus CD, and now putting the value of BD will get BC minus CD whole square, that's mean B square plus C square minus 2BC. One is B and another one is C, or one is A and another one is B, that's mean A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square mean A square plus B square minus 2AB, or we can write A square minus 2AB plus B square, no problem, you can write any one of these. In the right figure, that is also same, here CD square minus BC square. So where will square result, this and this will be same, that's mean here is CD square plus BC square minus 2 into CD into BC, no problem. In both figure, BD is square mean BC square plus CD square minus 2 into BC into CD. Now putting the value of BD in this BD square in this equation, that's mean in 1. Okay, and also here apply another Pythagoras theorem. Now follow from 1 and 2, that's mean AB square this equal to AD square plus BC square plus CD square minus 2 into BC into CD. Now write in arrange, that's mean AD square plus CD square plus BC square minus 2 into BC into CD. But AD square plus CD square, this equal to, we can write AC square, because in triangle ADC, angle D is a right angle, so by applying Pythagoras theorem, AC square this equal to this. Okay, so AB square this equal to AC square plus BC square minus 2 into BC into CD. Proof is complete. Very easy. Clear? This is Pythagoras extension theorem for acute angle. You have to remember, okay? And you have to prove. Another theorem, theorem of Apollonius. Okay, follow here. The sum of the areas of the squares drawn on any two sides of a triangle is equal to twice the sum of area of the squares drawn on the median of the third side and on either half of that side. That's mean, follow here, you will easily understand. Special nomination here, AD. AD is a median. And so do you know what is median? Median is the line joining a middle point of a side and its opposite vertex. That's mean D is a middle point of BC, and the line joining D and A, that is AD. AD is a median of the triangle ABC, and A is perpendicular on BC. So C is a orthogonal projection of AC, DE is orthogonal projection of AD, BE is orthogonal projection of AB. Clear everyone? Orthogonal projection and median. Okay. Now, median of triangle ABC, bisect the side BC, and median must bisect the side. Otherwise, that will not be median. It is to be proved that AB square plus AC square plus 2 into AD square plus BD square or CD square. You can write anyone. Okay, here we'll write BD square. Okay, or you can write CD square, no problem. Now follow. Here same explanation. We draw a perpendicular AE on the side BC, And for second figure, in both figure ADB is obtuse angle of triangle ABD and D is orthogonal projection of the line AD on the extended BD. Okay, now here applying Pythagoras extension theorem for obtuse angle, that is theorem number 3. We know AB square this equal to AD square plus BD square plus 2 into BD into DE. D is a orthogonal projection of the side AD. Okay, here angle ADC is an acute angle of triangle ACD, and DC and DE is the orthogonal projection of AD on extended side DC. Therefore, by applying Pythagoras theorem, we can write AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square minus 2 into CD into DE. This is equation number 2. Now adding 1 and 2. That's mean left side add, and right side add. Left side will be AB square plus AC square, and right side will be AD square in both equation present. So 2 into AD square plus BD square plus CD square plus 2 into BD into DE minus 2 into CD into DE. This equal to 2 into AD square plus 2 into BD square. Okay, therefore AB square plus AC square this equal to 2 into AD square plus BD square. So proof is complete. Very easy. Okay, now follow a relation. Determination of the relation between the side of the triangle and the median by the theorem of Apollonius. Okay, Apollonius theorem we have already discussed, and depend on this relation we can easily prove theorem number 7 in your book, exercise 3.1. okay, here length of the side BCCA AB of the triangle ABC are A, B, C respectively, and AD, BE and CF are the medians drawn on sides BC, CA and AB. Their lengths are D, E and F. That's mean this measurement D, this measurement E and this measurement F. And this measurement, that's mean that is A, AC mean B and AB mean C. By Apollonius theorem we can write AB square plus AC square this equal to 2 into AD square plus BD square or CD square, no problem. Similarly, we can write CA square or AC square plus BC square this equal to 2 into CF square plus F square or VF square. Similarly in others case. Now follow. Here putting the value, follow. AB mean C, so C square, and AC mean B square, as here is 2, so dividing on both sides we can write 2, and AD mean D and BD mean half of A, because D is the middle point of BC, as a result BD equal to CD. Okay, that's mean follow C square plus B square plus 2 into D square plus half of A or A by 2 whole square, as BD is equal to half of A. Now calculate, we'll get here 2D square plus 2 into 1 by 4 A square, or B square plus C square this equal to 2D square plus A square by 2, or D square equal to 2 into B square plus C square minus A square by 4. Similarly, we can write E square equal to this and F square is equal to this. Here this is a median and BCA, that is a side. So this is a relation between median and side. This is also relation median and side. This is also relation median and side. Clear? Now adding the length of median square, that's mean D square plus E square plus F square, that's mean sum of this. Now calculate this equal to, will get 3 by 4 A square plus B square plus C square, or by Cross multiplication will get here 3 into a square plus b square plus c square, this is equal to 4 into d square plus c square plus f square. This is another relation of side and diagonal. Okay, that type of theorem proof will set in the exam. Okay, so you have to remember this. Prove that this equal to this. Okay, where a b c are side of triangle and d e f are the median of triangle. This is a question and you have to remember. More, if it is a right angle triangle, that's when angle ACB is a right angle and AB is hypotenuse, then c square equal to a square plus b square. Now a square plus b square plus c square, that's mean when add here c square, left side will be also c square, that's mean left side will be 2c square, but we have right here in right side, no problem. But a square plus b square plus c square, this is equal to 4 by 3 d square plus e square plus f square, this is equal to 2c square. Both side, this and this cut here will be 2 and here will be 3. That's mean 2 into d square plus e square plus f square, this is equal to 3c square. This is the relation of side and median for right angle triangle. Clear everyone? You have to remember. Follow this, you can easily prove theorem number 7 in your book, exercise 3.1. Okay, and you have to also practice and understand, that is theorem 4, 5 and exercise 3.1, 7 number. Date of submission 18/4/2021, time 11 AM. Okay, today up to this. Thank you.